All right, Dave, it's a time to activate the Tesseract.
Okay, here we go.
Oh, that's so cool. What's up, you guys? So we're super excited to take you on this little adventure today. So we're at a spot that we have been meaning to check out. Now, we've walked past this place many times. We just got back from Disney World, so we're feeling kind of stoked to see what this place is all about. So today, we're checking out a cool spot here.
That's right, Avengers Station here in Las Vegas.
Let's go. I'm excited. I'm hoping they have like some Black Widow.
Yeah, you hope so. Black Widow just came out, the movie, so I want to check that out, and hopefully they'll have some cool stuff around that. Now, it's been around for a while, Avengers Station, so hopefully it's been kind of updated for some of the more recent Marvel movies. We'll see.
We love that. So where are we traveling from?
Arizona
Arizona
so
in the house. Not too far, just a hop, skip, a couple of skips and a drive away.
Yeah.
Oh, that's so awesome. Well, thank you guys so much for the tremendous support. We appreciate that.
And we appreciate your videos. You guys, we watch you every evening whenever there's something. Like, there they are. We need to watch that one.
TurnItUpWorld! Walking the strip, you kind of want to beat the heat for a little bit. Just jump on this little tram from Garage to TI, one stop. Pretty cool, and you got some AC. Nice. It's kind of neat, like the moment you walk in to get your tickets at the box office, I love that you don't have to walk through, like you don't have to experience it and then go through the store. They put the merch right in your face before you even go in. So I'm not sure if that's good or bad.
You kind of go. I think you go through it at the beginning and the end.
Yeah.
You get the double whammy.
And you don't have to actually thinking about it. You don't even have to purchase a ticket to buy some merch. Sometimes you gotta buy a ticket, go through, and then at the end you got the merch store and everything else.
Yeah, they'll take your money any which way.
Hey, Thor.
Hey guys.
What's
That's
up,
cool.
I'm excited. Looks like they have a Black Widow. You know, honestly, I'm not sure what to expect. I'm hoping it's gonna have some interactive things going on inside and fun, but we shall see. Dun dun dun!
All clear.
Welcome to the Avengers Station.
Now we put our shoes back on. That's good.
Scientific Training and Tactical Intelligence Operative Network. My name is Maria Hill, and I'll be heading up your assessment program here at the station. As you are no doubt aware, life as we've known it has changed. In the past few years, we've seen the world come under attack by alien invaders, secret organizations intent on world domination, and complex artificial intelligence trying to destroy civilization. But each time the world was in peril, there was one group who always came to our aid. A group of remarkable individuals who come together to protect us against evil and fight the battles that we never could. The Avengers. The station has been created for those of you who have chosen to join the Avengers and protect our way of life by standing united in defense of our planet. You are about to enter our advanced scientific training facility where you will have unprecedented access to the most sensitive intelligence and cutting-edge science related to our superheroes. This is your chance to be a part of something greater, an opportunity to help save the world. Let's see if you're up to the task. Oh, and Mr. Stark has asked that you don't break anything. Ready to go? I think you are. Welcome to the Avengers Station.
Thank you, Director Hill. Now, one more time. Are you guys ready?
We are ready! T'Challa, Black Panther. So his suit is a vibranium weaved suit. Gives him that extra power. Wakanda forever.
One thing I do have to say, when you come in here, you feel like you're in a Disney World queue line for some Avengers ride. Because I mean, it just reminds me of a Disney World queue. It's really cool, a lot of cool stuff. We're excited to check it out. And we understand that it's based on the Age of Ultron time of the Avengers, so you'll probably see a lot of that today.
Yeah, I definitely feel it. I love when you kind of first walk in here and it's like Black Panther, T'Challa. Of course, you got the Captain America, Steve Rogers. And you really do, you're right. Like, I think this place was built, what, was kind of erected here 5 years ago. So, hand sanitized up and ready to rock. Here we go. You see how it really looks? That's how it's going right now. Whoa! Whoa! Wakanda! Yeah! Show me the action. Show me the breathing. Woo!
Check out the Vita Ray chamber. I could use some of that Vita Ray right now.
Oh, Starbucks.
Sure beats going to the gym like 7 days a week. Yeah, it's called Starbucks. Yeah, exactly. That's a good one. Uh-oh, something happened here. Something smashed through. I think we recognize that form. That's pretty good.
Yeah, perfect. That's a tougher one. All right, Dave, it's time to activate the Tesseract.
Okay, here we go.
Oh, that's so cool.
That and I gotta put the alcohol in hand.
Yes. Dave, who's in there?
Oh, I got this vision. I see Ultron here.
Oh, is it Ultron? But this is a vision regeneration room.
I know, so it's supposed to be, maybe it's Vision.
I can use a little regeneration right about now. And that might come in the form of a milkshake.
What's this here?
Scan to access.
Credentials.
Access denied. Access denied. Maybe I have to do it.
Yeah, maybe you have to do it.
Here we go.
That looks more promising.
I think I busted it. I have too much energy surging through my fingers right now.
Oh, there's Black Widow Romanoff.
Natasha, Black Widow Romanoff. Oh, that is so cool. Does that come in an extra large? I'll take it.
And then, of course, you got Clint Hawkeye.
Yeah, Hawkeye's cool.
He's the one that gets beat up all the time.
All the time.
But he doesn't die.
No,
he just gets beat up.
Natasha kicks his butt all day long.
Dave, watch this. Watch this.
I think I know what this is.
Oh my gosh.
Whoa, they're moving around.
Ew.
Speaking of ants, welcome to Ant-Man.
Ant-Man.
Scott Lang.
Nice job.
And over here, look at that. Over here, you got Scarlet Witch.
Oh, the Scarlet Witch. Kind of how she does her things, like.
Yeah. Connor's in like heaven here.
I'm in heaven.
The Marvel land. Yeah. There you go. Oh, that's cool. Falcon.
Whoa.
All right. Should we move it on? Biohazard containment
It
room.
cleans you off here.
Watch
All
out.
clean. Oh boy.
Whoa!
Got you.
Right through.
I follow them on YouTube.
So what do you think of this place so
I love
far?
it so far, so far,
Very
so
cool,
good.
yeah.
These are the ones we watched.
Yeah.
Hey, how you doing?
I was like, I'm pretty sure that's them, but I'm not gonna say anything. Then we were walking through here, and I was like, I have to say something.
Where are you guys from? You guys from Vegas?
We live here. We're from Louisville. She's from Chicago. I'm from Louisville.
From where?
I'm,
And where are you from?
Yeah.
I'm from Louisville, Kentucky.
Oh, okay, gotcha. Okay, cool.
Nice to meet you guys.
Nice to We got some cool aliens here. A dark elf. There you go, your turn. The hammer. You can do it, you can do it. You clearly did not watch the YouTube video. I know the secret. I know the secret. Here we go.
Dave knows the
Ready?
secret.
Here we go. First gotta limber up.
Oh, you gotta limber up.
Yeah.
Oh, look at this stretch.
Okay, here we go, here we go.
I'm ready.
Okay, now fade to black. Fade to black. Fade to black. Come on, we need some. You gotta do some editing, some film editing. Okay, and then right here, I'm gonna come up.
Okay.
Here we go.
Go.
And there it is. Look. Now put it in there. Post.
I love it. I love it.
If anyone can translate this right here, this language of the Asgardian language, please leave it in the comment section below. Mark 6, Mark 5,
Oh, hold on.
Mark 4. We are now approaching the final battle.
Final battle. What the heck's a final battle?
I don't know.
Find out.
We shall find out. And if we pop back on here, then we've won.
Exactly. Wish us luck. Well, we just heard some cheering behind us. I think the last group did pretty well in the final battle, so we'll see here. You ready for it? We better do well.
I know we're gonna kick butt. I have good as gold Bucky right there. Good as
Bucky,
gold,
Bucky.
Good as gold.
You ready for the final battle?
I hope we've chose wisely here.
Oh, you got it.
Stay in touch now, because the Avengers might need you again soon.
All right, Tanya did a great job.
That was awesome.
All right.
Great job.
Nice job. You defeated Ultron. High five.
Great teamwork today.
Yeah, nice job, babe.
The power of Tanya and Dave always comes through.
All right, we turned it up.
Right? Time to grab a little bit of merchandise.
Now that we have deassembled,
We've deassembled.
we're gonna try to find some merch. $18 a piece.
Nice. A whole assortment of different ones there.
Right.
Iron Man.
Iron Man pin. These are all 18 bucks.
There's the Thor hammer. You actually lifted it.
Yeah, they're kind of, exactly. I told you I got it. There it is. Hey, babe, I got something.
Oh,
Look at this.
jeez,
Well,
Louise.
we're decking out our new apartment here in Vegas. We're trying to figure out, we need some nice, comfortable chairs.
I don't think so.
What more could you ask for a studio right there?
Yeah. Now I would, in order for me to purchase those, I'd have to sit in those and experience it. But unfortunately, please do not touch. All right, so we just had to ask to see how much these Marvel sort of office chairs are, and I think they range between $350 to $375 for the chair. We're in the search for the Black Widow button, and I'm not sure we're gonna have any success in here because it's so popular. They apparently said they may be out of them, so hopefully we can find them. Black Widow, where are you?
Excellent. What do you got there?
So, all right, as we were looking around trying to find a couple cool things here, we did, but not for us, for you guys. So we're kind of like looking at this. It's kind of a limited or select edition New Avengers comic book. It's a hardcover comic book with various comics inside of it. So we are gonna give this away to one of you. So all you have to do, one, is make sure you are subscribed here on YouTube, but you also must go over to our Instagram and follow us there, and we're gonna post something here, our latest post with this place here. Leave a comment in that for sure, and we'll select the winner. It's definitely a fun place I think families would enjoy. If you have kids coming to Las Vegas, this is a place to take them. You can definitely pick up some merch along the way. Hey, and one more thing, if you haven't done so, please take a second and hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you get every time we post something new and exciting. As always, thanks for joining us, World Travelers, and we look forward to seeing y'all
In Las Vegas!
and Marvel's
Avengers, disassemble.